If you're looking to optimize CRM workflows in Folk CRM and want a quick, actionable explanation, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the most of Folk CRM's features to streamline your processes, save time, and boost productivity. Folk CRM is a powerful tool designed to help businesses manage relationships and automate key workflows. The good news is you can actually use Folk CRM for free through the link below, with some exclusive bonuses if you decide to dive in. Stick around, because I'll show you some key steps that will help you take full advantage of this tool to supercharge your operations. Let's get into it. The first thing to know about Folk CRM is its simplicity and flexibility. The CRM is built with teams in mind, meaning it lets you keep everything organized while also giving you the freedom to personalize workflows according to your needs. This is crucial if you're just starting with Folk CRM. You'll be able to set up tasks, automate follow-ups, and integrate it smoothly with other tools you may already be using. One of the key features of Folk CRM is its segmentation capabilities. You can organize contacts into different groups based on their activity, relationship stage, or any other data you choose to track. This segmentation is really powerful for optimizing CRM workflows, allowing you to easily focus on high-priority clients while automating the rest. For instance, you can set triggers to send custom emails to certain segments, keeping your communication targeted and relevant. Now, let's talk about the automation part. Folk CRM's workflow automation is where things get really interesting. You can create personalized automated workflows for different customer touchpoints. Whether it's a follow-up reminder after a meeting or sending out a thank you email after a purchase, Folk CRM helps you stay on top of all of it without lifting a finger. This automation frees up your time for more high-level work while ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Another area where Folk CRM really shines is its collaboration features. If you're working in a team, Folk CRM's shared inbox and collaboration tools help everyone stay in sync. You can assign tasks, share notes, and see real-time updates on contacts, which improves team efficiency and keeps everything organized. For businesses looking to scale, Folk CRM also offers integrations with popular tools like Google Calendar, Slack, and even Zapier. This means that you can link Folk CRM with other platforms you're using to extend its functionality and streamline your workflow even more. If you're still new to Folk CRM, there's a bit of a learning curve, but don't worry. It's straightforward and designed to get you up and running quickly. The dashboard is intuitive with all your key metrics displayed right in front of you. This gives you a clear view of your sales pipeline, contact activity, and task status, making it easy to track progress and optimize your workflow on the fly. But here's the best part. You can use Folk CRM for free with our exclusive extended trial by clicking the first link below. Not only will you get access to all these powerful features, but you'll also be able to see firsthand how Folk CRM can transform the way you manage your relationships and business operations. In summary, optimizing CRM workflows in Folk CRM is all about leveraging its powerful segmentation, automation, and collaboration features. Whether you're managing a small team or scaling up, Folk CRM's flexibility and integration options make it an essential tool for any business looking to improve efficiency. Don't forget to check out the extended free trial below and get started today. Your future self will thank you.